Sheikh Isa Khalifa dissolved the National Assembly nearly 20 years ago.
The human rights law.
I looked at my iPad, found it, ordered it, it arrived.
Charlie Sloth will take over, continuing the best Saturday night ever. Still to come in this show right here. Musically, we've got a bit of devolution for you. The first play of the MK remix of Le Youth's new single featuring
ये कुल हराम है और क्या प्यारी बात किसी ने की है
Mariam Al-Khawaja.
Don't miss Rex 3-2 in the building.
Hey, what's up, Jason Derulo, Gigs, J. Cole, what up, yeah? And myself, Tiny Temper, taking over One Extra and dropping our favourite old school tunes and reminiscing on what they mean to us. With Takeover.